146, yung iba, kunin na nila, let me see, let me recall my law, baka, matagal na ako wala sa practice baka magkamali ako. Pero, as far as I know, pag yung disallowance maging final and executory, kasi nag-appeal ka, nagtalo ka, pumunta ka ng Supreme, talo ka, tapos final and executory, I think you can ask the sheriff to levy and collect. Correct ba ako dyan? Yeah, to execute the decision. Tapos levy. Ngunit nila. That is the sheriff. It is the duty of the sheriff if there is a request. Sayang yung pera. Makatulong pa yan kasi ibigay natin kay Secretary Galvez pangdagdag ng bakuna. Yan. Yan ang purpose ko. Bakit interesado ako? There is never enough in this government that 186 million would go a long way to buy so many vacunas needed by the Filipino people. So, when you go to the kampanya na, remember the 140 million and the 86 million of that went to the hands of Gordon. Nagmamakalinis ka. That's what I'm saying. You have practically painted everybody black because you want yourself to appear white. That is the problem, Gordon. Bayaran mo, marami ka namang pera dyan. Personal mo yan Yung disallowance, personal mo yan. Ibig sabihin yung 86 million na punta sa kamay mo, hindi mo yan ginastos ng